Hey guys, so today I'm doing a unboxing of Kylie's body bundle, and I've just laid out in the pool for about an hour and got some sun already. So when I go back out, I'm gonna flip, do the other side, and then I'm gonna come in and show you how the products work and everything, and tell you how I like them. Hey guys, so I'm back from tanning in the pool. So hot out today. As you can tell, I'm pretty red. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of Kylie Skin, and I forgot to add that I got the lip scrub and lip mask bundle also, so I'll show you what that looks like. So basically, this is what the package looks like. I already opened it because I took a picture, so this is the lip scrub. Do that first, of course, and then the lip mask. And it comes with a little applicator for it too. And then some stickers. Okay, so this is the body bundle, and I already took it out of the box because it was so complicated trying to get it out of there. So it comes with a coconut body lotion, broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen oil. I did not use that today. I probably should have. Comes with coconut body scrub, which I'm going to use, and eye cream. So I'm going to use all of this today. I'll probably end up using the sunscreen just because I always use sunscreen after I get out of the shower. So use the lip scrub as well. So once I'm done taking a shower, I'll let you know how the products worked and how I liked them. Alright, so I just finished showering and everything. So now basically I'm just gonna go over the products that I ordered and used in the shower. So I used the coconut body scrub, and it smelled amazing. It had like a gritty texture, and I had some dry skin from when I tanned before earlier, like last week, and it was peeling off, and that helped immensely. It smells amazing, and you use it in circular motions when you're rubbing it all over your body. So I'm a huge fan of this. I highly recommend this. And then I used the sugar lip scrub, and showed you it before, but it comes with this little pick, and it smells literally like honey. Like, I cannot express, like, it smelled so good, and I accidentally got some of it in my mouth, and it tasted really good. My lips feel really soft right now, so I'm really happy with that product also. So next, I didn't use the lip mask yet. I did go in and do like my normal moisturizer, rose spray, and just hydrating sprays that I normally always use, because right after the sun, it just helps to lock in the moisture after drying it out a little bit. So I'm going to use this hydrating lip mask. So this is what it looks like. And then it comes with this little pick also. And it says just to use just a little bit, so. I really, 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 really like how this feels on my lips right now. Makes them feel very shiny and soft and like hydrated. I really like it. I would give this a 10 out of 10. So use it sparingly because this stuff is expensive. So after I'm gonna worry about that later. So after I got out of the shower, I used the coconut body lotion and it smells amazing also. So I pretty much smell like a beach, I guess right now. Highly recommend that one too. That one's really good. I wish it was kind of in a bigger bottle, but I think they might make bigger bottles on the site. I'm not too sure, but really liked that one. And then last but not least, or no, then I sprayed my face with the SPF sunscreen. I don't know if I was supposed to after I got out of the shower, but I sprayed it on my face and my chest, so that's kind of why I look a little bit oily right now. I blotted a little bit off and rubbed some more in just to help with sunscreen, and it's always good to wear it for your skin. So lastly, I'm going to go in with the eye cream, and I've used this before, but what I love about this is that it has a tip, so you can see like it gliding right onto your eyes. So, and I just do a little bit at a time, just like that much, if you can see. And you just glide it right under there, get those eye bags, under eye circles, whatever. Also, I did put on lashes just because, I don't know, I just felt like it. So. But there's a little bit too low down there. I'm gonna rub it all over my eye, under eye. Okay, so, and then I ended it off with a Kardashian perfume, so using all Kylie products, so why not? So I'm pretty happy with the bundle and the lip mask and scrub and everything that I got. I'm just wearing these shorts and just like a bralette top right now, just because I just got out of the shower. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you want to see more Kylie unboxings, just comment below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and put your notification button on because we have more coming to this channel. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time.